To set up your Monarch HDX, you use its command center, but first you need to find its IP address. To do that, connect your Monarch HDX to an HDCP-enabled network or router. Then, there are 3 ways to find the IP address. Connect the Monarch HDX to an HDMI monitor. Power up the Monarch HDX. The IP address will appear on the screen for about 30 seconds before it is replaced by the pass-through signal. Insert a USB device formatted for FAT32 or NTFS into the USB port 2. When the yellow warning LED stops flashing, the Monarch HDX IP address has been saved as a text file on the USB device. Download the Monarch HDX Utils application from the support section of the Matrox video website. Install and run the Monarch HDX Utils application on a computer attached to the same network as your Monarch HDX. You will see the IP addresses of all Monarch HDX devices connected to the network. You identify yours by matching the serial number on the bottom of the actual unit. To learn more about Matrox Monarch HDX, please visit our website.